Hi guys, Candis with Ponoka Chrysler. So today we got in a 2014 Ford Escape. I'd like to give you a quick walk around and show you the vehicle. Let's step outside. Okay, this vehicle is a beautiful pearl white. Just gonna zoom in on the tires here. Lots of tread left on those tires. What are they? They are Goodyear tire. 17-inch. You look down the side. On your keys here, you have your unlock, lock, your panic, and your back hatch. Unlock. Actually, I want to lock it to show you guys something. On here, can I get that to light up? There we go. You have the code, so it automatically lights up, and then once you don't touch it for a while, it's not even noticeable. All right, now we're going to unlock, go on inside. On your driver's side door, you have your power windows, as well as your power locks just above that. Your mirror adjust and some storage in the door. Throughout the cab, you have leather interior, as well as automatic seat adjust, some storage just below. Stepping inside here, just gonna start it up for you. Okay, so here we have, it has 129,947 kilometers. Your dashboard options on the steering wheel, as well as your cruise control, your Uconnect over here on the right. Coming into the center, you have a nice big LCD screen. There's your climate control, entertainment. This is up here is your connecting the phone, for connecting your phone. Obviously that phone is not there anymore. And nav says it requires an SD card. So just below that is your tuning for the radio, CD player above here. Coming down are your heat controls. I just have it turned off because it was blowing cold air on me. It's pretty warm outside. Your shifter getting you from park, reverse, neutral, drive. And then just below that is your heated seat options for your front seat. Moving above, sunglass holder, some lights. Let's step around to the back here. Oh, I need to unlock the door. Sorry, guys. There we go. All right, coming in the back, we have lots of room back here. Lift up these mats. That one is making a liar to me. I did it to the other one, and there's some storage on the floor there. That's funny, I just assumed it was on both sides. These seats here fold down. Sorry, I need to. It requires two hands, so sorry about the shaky camera. There we go. Easily folds down, just requires two hands. You look at the back. Oh, real quick, there is a backup camera there. I will run and jump back at the front just to show you guys that is all in working condition. So lots of room and versatile in the back here. And the door shuts just with a press of the button. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick again that backup camera. There we go, nice big backup camera. All right, so that concludes our walk around of this 2014 Ford Escape SE, or was it an S? If you'd like to take this vehicle for a test drive, we'd be happy to show it off. You can give us a call at 403-783-5383. Or you can visit us online at ponokachrysler.com to view our extensive inventory. Just want to thank you all for watching today and hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day.